In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to build a polished resume in Canva from a ready-made template, customize it with your details, and export it as a high-quality PDF you can send anywhere. Start on the Canva homepage and use the search bar to type the word resume. You'll see a wide range of designs. Choose one that matches your style and industry. Clean and simple layouts are usually best for readability. When you click a template, it opens right in the editor so you can begin editing immediately. Next, replace the placeholder text with your own information. Click into each text box and add your name and job title first, since those are the anchors of your resume. Then write a short summary that highlights your strengths in 2 to 3 concise sentences. Move on to your work experience and focus on results, using action verbs and consistent date formatting. Add your education, relevant skills, and contact information. Keep the structure consistent throughout so it's easy to skim. If you want to include a photo, head to the left sidebar and open the Uploads tab. Upload your picture, then drag it into the photo placeholder on the template. Use a clear, professional image with good lighting. Depending on your region or industry, a photo may be optional, so include it only if it's common for your field. Now, customize the look and feel. Click any shape or background to change its color using the top toolbar. Pick colors with good contrast for readability. Select text to change the font, size, and spacing. Aim for one headline font and one body font to keep things cohesive. Adjust line spacing for comfortable reading, especially on your summary and experience sections. Refine the layout to fit your content. Move or remove sections you don't need, and don't be afraid to simplify. Keep margins consistent and align elements so everything looks intentional. If you'd like visual accents, open Elements and search for resume icons. Subtle, minimalist icons can help label sections like contact info or skills without distracting from the content. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Go to the upper right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF, Print, for the best quality and crisp text. This format works great for emailing, uploading to job portals, or printing. Before sending it out, quickly preview the PDF to ensure everything looks sharp and nothing shifted. That's it. You now have a professional resume built in Canva, personalized to your strengths and ready to share.